This is how I've started building my planer bridles. I use 49 strand, 275 pound cable, some 1.3 crimps. I fit this cable pretty good. And these are Spro heavy swivels. I think these are 250 pounders. I've made them with 150 pounders for rods that have smaller guides, and it'll fit through there. I've never had the swivel break. So you want to start out with a piece of cable about 3.5 feet long. Our planer bridle is going to end up being 31 inches long when we're done. You're going to put your 2 of these crimps down your cable here. And put on your swivel. You want to leave a pretty long tag end here. This is going to end up being our loop. The tag end is going to end up being our loop that we clip our planer into. When you slide this down, you want to make sure your loop's pretty small so it will fit through the rod guides. Alright, so you get that crimped on, slide your other crimp down, get it here on the end, and then we're going to create a little loop out of this. It doesn't have to be very big, but what you do want to try to do is get this cable where it's flush with the end of your crimp there, so it doesn't poke you in the hand when you go to mess with the planer bridle while you're running your rigs. Alright, so that's what we got there. Your clips for your planer clip in and out of this. You can build these things however long you want. The bigger the planers, the longer the bridle's got to be. This is the number 6, which is the smallest one I use. I use up to a number 24, so my planer bridles are, I built them all 31 inches long, and all the planers are rigged where the clips are about 31 inches clip to clip. That way all the planers fit on your bridle. If you don't build it the correct size, the planer will not trip or it will not set. So what you want to do is clip in here, pull your planer tight like it's tripped, and then this is where our other loop's going to be, is somewhere right in here, so we can mark this with a Sharpie so we know where to put our other loops and crimps. Alright, so our marks are here. We have quite a bit of tag end left, so we'll just cut just a little bit of this off just to make sure it's all good. And there you go, it's done. When you build it, you want to make sure that it'll set, and then when you get a hit, make sure it'll trip before you take it and go off on the boat with it.